In today's episode, we are figuring out which Tesla is better to live out of, a Model Y
I have all the space I need.
or a Model X. If you're new here, my name is Sandro and I live full-time out of my fully built-out 2023 Tesla Model X long range, which I've nicknamed Beluga. Over the last 2 years on the open road, I have roamed all over North America, even making it all the way up to Alaska and the Arctic Ocean.
We made it! Do I have regrets buying my $105,000 Model X, or is a $50,000 Model Y better?
And today, we are in Southern California.
Let me introduce you to my co-host.
Oh, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the video.
You're so polite. So this is Nico. He's been living in his Tesla Model Y for how many months now?
Yeah, about 5 months now.
5 months?
Yeah.
And we met online. We were laid off around the same time from Tesla.
Yep.
Actually, part of the same day, right?
Yeah, in April.
First order of business is getting some water, because...
Yeah, so we need to restock up. We camped here last night, and it was pretty cool to wake up to the lake view and stuff, so.
That's the view, by the way. And he actually had his first moment today already.
What'd you do?
I took a dump in the woods.
The first one ever.
And I had a great view. Look at the bathroom view.
Dude, you're becoming a changed man.
I'm now initiated into van life.
Nice. Welcome.
So, first order of business, get some water. Go into town, charge. Like now with the new update, you don't have to keep your hands on the wheel anymore. But you still have to be vigilant. It doesn't make the car fully autonomous, like as kind of the media sometimes says. But it really just eases the stress of driving. And we're not even on a major highway. We're just kind of on a side mountain road, and the car is doing great. I think, there we go. That's it.
Select the product.
Okay, 5 gallons. So I don't know if this is a West Coast kind of thing, but being able to buy water just like on the side of like a grocery store where you can reuse your own water bottle, like he has right here, 2 gallons right here, and then there, that's where I'm filling it up. $2.50, not a bad price. Oh, yes. Hopefully it's not too full, because if it's too full, the water does spill when I hit the bumps. Okay. And that's essentially a $2 solution to a very expensive problem if I end up spilling this in the car. We're going to be going to a very remote area. I say remote, relatively speaking, but because there's no level 2 chargers for maybe 50, 60 miles, and we're going to go off-roading. So we kind of have to plan ahead, and I'll show you exactly what I mean once we get to the supercharger. I think that's good. And let me set this to 90. Perfect. Let me keep that for once. Let's see what it says. Starting to charge. 35 minutes. That's what I'm saying. It's a slow 72 kilowatt hour supercharger. But it gives us a little bit more time to plan, and I'm actually gonna make him some avocado toast now. Be a good host, right? On the road. It's internet famous, I think.
Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Bro.
That's yours. Cheers, dude.
Thanks. Cheers.
Friendship.
Bam. Friendship. Ah, damn.
Too much balsamic vinegar or no?
No, that's good. You don't miss.
Thanks, man.
this is the spot we're gonna stay for tonight. And we're gonna do like a little cooking challenge. So here are some of the ground rules. Nico, are you listening?
Hell yeah.
You can't break the rules, right? Okay. So first thing first, you have to use my kitchen setup, right? I'm gonna use your kitchen setup.
Okay.
Because we didn't prepare far enough, we could still, I'm gonna use my food. Like I'm gonna make pasta. But you can do whatever you want with my kitchen setup. Right?
Okay.
But you have to use it.
Here we go. Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Let's do a quick tour of Nico's home. The first Tesla van.
We have the entire kitchen setup. This is TerraGlide. They make cabinets for the Tesla Model Y. Pulls out like this. We got the butane burner stove right here. So you click this, turn it on, you have fire.
Okay.
And this is the butane that you have. Okay, going on to the actual kitchen. Once you lift this up, you have a Tesla fridge, which is powered by a external battery pack. When you open it up, you got everything you need, and it's ice cold in here. No ice is required. And then, once you pretty much cook, you have everything you need here. You got spoons, forks, sporks, and all of that. And if this thing catches fire, we have a fire extinguisher. So
hey,
got that.
Smart,
and then
smart man.
Carbon monoxide alarm too as well. So.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Dude, talk about having a home.
Yeah. For your water, you have this water tank here, and it's powered by Dometic. Little clip on like that. So if you want to, you know, get some water, put it in here, you can. If you want to extend it out, you go up here, press a button, and you got some water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. For me, I'm fully electric, but it's kind of a one-way street. So whenever I start cooking, I have to grab everything beforehand, right? So in here, I got my pan, because once I slide out my drawers, I cannot put it back out, right? So like this. I also have like a little, if I can find it, a little prop-up piece, right? Because obviously this is homemade, so it's not perfect. So I put this here. And there's a major detail, because when you're cooking, if your pan is slightly angled, your oil goes one way.
Oh no.
Right, so this keeps it steady. Like if you, when it's cooking, he's not gonna have an issue. Yeah. And it's simple, straightforward. So let me actually plug in. Okay, you have your chopping block.
Oh no.
Oops. Thanks, sir. That's perfect. Okay. Chopping block. We have our knife here. I have water too, so the same thing. I'm pretty sure I recommended that Dometic water.
Dude, yeah, right? Pretty much.
Sick. So best one on the market, not sponsored, but
yeah.
Put it here. You can also put
Talk
it here.
about that magnet, bro.
Magnet. So
nice.
There we go. And we just filled it today, so you should have plenty of water.
Yeah.
If you come this way.
Okay.
If you want to use my fridge, whatever, I have garlic, I have tofu, whatever you really want.
Nice.
It's in here.
Okay.
Right, I have butter, I have sriracha, oat milk. If you wanna
so sick, yeah.
Get spicy with the cooking.
And that's full electric, right?
Full electric,
no ice.
right?
Yeah.
I do have a Starlink as well, but I'm not gonna turn it on for today. Is there anything else you would need?
No, that's pretty much it. Okay, so in the fridge we have a couple things here. Oh, we got some noodles. Okay, I might use some noodles. That looks like a win. And then we got also. Ooh, what else do we have? There's only a limited amount here. They got tofu. Not a huge fan, but I guess this is all that's in here. So giant knife, which is pretty dope. Although I don't eat tofu, we're gonna find out. Come on. Oh, there it is. Probably gonna have like a square. We'll leave it at that. We will have a square.
This man has a carbon monoxide reader, but not a knife.
I have a knife. It's tiny. So
okay. All right. Let's see. I'm kind of skeptical.
So you're the first
oh, okay. So okay. Challenge accepted. But dude, I don't know.
Little baby one.
Yeah. I do feel honored that I get to use your knife for the first time.
We just power this guy on. Temperature, we're gonna put around maybe 3. You put this temperature at 3, right?
2 and 3.
We're gonna leave it at 3. So we're gonna leave it at that. This on for a few seconds, it goes on quick. So we're just gonna throw this in here. Oh, just the sound of that. Man. And then we're literally just gonna throw some noodles in here because I don't know what else to do with it. So we're just gonna throw that in here. It's literally just carbs and protein. So got a spoon now here. Ooh, that smells good. What else should we add? That smells good. It's just random assortment of stuff in here.
Did you season that?
No.
Oh, brother.
So I'm gonna get some seasoning here. Onion powder, seasoning, salt. That sounds like a good combination. And then this looks like pepper. I know it's not labeled, so we're just gonna throw it in. Bam.
So this man also.
He's like, where are the seasonings at?
Where are seasonings?
Okay, so.
Actually, I gave you those yesterday.
Hold on. I have. Okay, so these are like the only seasonings I carry.
Okay. Time to chop the onions with this. This is fun, dude.
Have this almost done. Steaming right now. We put some water in here and stuff, so it's still going. So we're gonna let it sit for just a little bit. Maybe we might turn it. Grab our spoon. This is probably gonna be so bland. I'm gonna have to add something. You know what? We're gonna add something here. Pop off?
No, because the water was boiling.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Jesus.
But we're embracing.
Yes. Oh.
All right, so. Excuse me, sorry.
This is tofu, and it's ground beef with some noodles. So it's like you're trying to become a vegetarian, but you're actually trying not to be.
So water's cooking. It is kind of windy, with the wind coming in this way. So it's become a little bit more difficult to actually cook. Oh, actually, I know why. That too. Boom. That will help as well. Okay, I'm trying to see. I don't know if this is tender or not. Hopefully I don't burn my fingers trying to drain this. Okay, so pasta's ready. Look, oh no, shh. He didn't see, great. I think I already burned the garlic, oh no.
Oh, is it? Oh
Yeah.
my God, that was good.
Yeah, I think I already burned the garlic, dude. You know how I know? It smells bitter. Oh! I'm so sorry, dude.
Serious about this stuff. I'm up the night before, pressing garlic.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I do need to borrow my own fork because you don't have a fork, do you?
I do. Well, I have plastic spoons.
Oh, jeez. No, I need a fork.
All right.
I need a fork. I just can't. You scoop it, yeah.
Oh,
That's good.
that works too. Okay. Damn, you got cheese on this thing.
Go
You
cheese.
got,
It's melted though. It's like
you
pizza.
got shallots. You got, yeah. Okay.
What's the verdict?
Ah, dang.
Actually good?
It's way better than mine, by like 1,000%.
Mm.
You have a lot of seasonings in this thing.
For the one thing we dread most, dishes. Oh man. But I can't complain with a view like this, man. I really can't. Dude, I'm struggling here, man. I am struggling.
A few moments later.
5 o'clock, and it's very early, you could say, to go to bed, but it gets dark here around 5:30, like the sun is setting behind us right now. So we're gonna set up our beds and kind of just show you how I sleep, which some of you might already know, but I think you guys are curious to see how Nico sleeps in his Tesla Model Y.
Here is the Tesla Model Y, or aka the Tesla van. So this is the setup. Don't have a passenger seat, but this is how I get in the car. Pretty much just going through here, and what I do is I just put my feet right here and I have all the space I need. And if y'all are worried about the head height, you go up like this and I can pretty much almost sit up. So it's not too bad. Got the screen right there. Could play Netflix, could play YouTube and entertainment system. And yeah, we got these lights too as well. Up here and right here, light strips. And yeah, this is how I sleep.
And let me ask, what do you do when you have a +1 date?
+1, she gonna sit right here on the side. There's a little corner right here for her. If she chooses to sleep right here, got another pillow for her.
So I actually, kind of weird because I sleep with my head this way. Right, and then I just have the tail go close.
Yep.
And there's plenty of space. Like if I had a +1, I've slept with my ex here. Right here. It's been good, cozy though. I also have my book right here. I'm preparing for South America, like doing my homework.
Nice.
For the headroom, it's actually like this space right here is a lot because when I'm sitting up like this, I have enough space to sit up, brush my teeth. So my favorite part is like I can move this chair forward and back like that. And then in cab mode, I put this like this. There you go. Move
This
the seat
seat
forward.
just goes forward.
And I'm ready for bed. In conclusion, the Model X, beautiful big camper, but it does come at a price tag. But the Model Y is as much capable as the Model X, but doesn't have air suspension and a little bit less living room space. Anyways, my conclusion is I think there is no one vehicle that is the best living vehicle to live in because they all has their pros and cons. But depending on your needs, now I think you have a better comparison. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And where's your next adventure to? Because I always say there's plenty of time to be dead. Dude, it looks really creepy.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
You can only see my face.
Drive safe out there.